Hello YouTube, Chris here. Thought I'd do a review for you before I go back to the military. I hope everybody had a good holiday and has a happy new year. I'm going to do a couple videos for you before I leave. Alright, so today I'm going to do a review on a Swiss Army knife. It's the Victorinox Recruit. It has 10 functions. A large blade, small blade, can opener with a small screwdriver, bottle opener with a large screwdriver, a wire stripper, keyring, tweezers, and a toothpick. Try to make this review pretty fast. Alright, let's measure it, see how long it is. It's about 3 inches long, about a ½ inch wide. Alright. First off, you got your main blade here, fairly thick for the size of the tool, pretty sharp. Do our normal cut test here, not bad. Some paracord, 550 paracord, cuts right through it, no problem. It's no issue there. I already cut an onion and a green pepper with it, did just fine. So I think for your day-to-day use, it's going to be just fine. Locks up real good and tight. Alright, you got your small blade. Same thing, it's very sharp. No problems. Alright. You got your can opener. Can here for you. Right through it. No issue there. Small screwdriver up top. Looks like it would do just fine. You got your bottle opener. Looks like it would work, and then it's got a wire stripper on it. And then a large flathead screwdriver. All these tools lock up very tight. They're not going to close that easy. I mean, it takes a little force to get them to close. Right. You got your toothpick. Just locks up right there. And then a pair of tweezers. And then your keyring holder. It has a lifetime warranty, says right there. And I got it at Target for 12 bucks, so maybe you can catch that deal too. Seems like it's really well made, it's solid. I mean, it's not loose or anything at all. My grandpa always carried one with him. This one has a little bit more functions than your regular Swiss Army knife, but it's a little bit bigger. So it'd be a good thing maybe throw in a backpack or throw in your car, in your pocket, maybe put it on your keyring. Not a bad deal for $12, and it's the original Swiss Army knife, so can't go wrong with it. Alright, have a good New Year's and stay safe.